Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to create an NPC in Roblox. First, let's open Roblox Studio. Okay? Click Rig Builder, choose rig type, I usually pick R6, and select the avatar block. Now we have a blank character. To dress it, go to the rig, click the plus, and let's start with pants. Go to the Roblox Marketplace and search for pants. Let's find some classic pants. Click Apply, choose the ones you like. I'll go with these. Copy this ID. Head back to the studio. Paste it here, hit enter, and there's our pants. Now let's do the same with a shirt. Alright, back to the marketplace. Let's pick a classic shirt. Got it? Copy the ID, return to Roblox Studio and hit enter. There we go, looking good. To change the face, go to head face. Back to the studio again. We need a head. Let's pick this expression. And hit enter. To add a hat in-game, enter this command here or any accessory ID. Let's say I want a head accessory. Like these ears, for example. I copy the code, go back to Roblox, paste it here and hit enter. They spawn somewhere, we move them to our character and they're equipped. Now we've got this crazy looking character. To change its position, select our rig and click on the anchor. Okay? Click on the head, for instance, and rotate. There. Now we can move it however we want. See? We can also set a specific position for the left leg in space. Left hand. There. That's all for now. This was YouTuber name. Like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye everyone.